Hello and welcome to Birdview and Easy Projects. In this video, we'll cover how to create requests for team members to approve or reject project deliverables. In this example, we're going to send a document to our teammate Thomas for approval. First, head to the message section of a task or project. In this case, let's choose task number 2. The message portion is at the bottom here. Using the paperclip icon, let's upload the file that we'd like to attach. Then, we'll hit the Request Approval button and select Thomas from the list of team members. We'll add a quick description and then hit Post. A notification will now go out to Thomas indicating that he's been asked to approve something. Let's see what this looks like from Thomas's end. Now that we're in Thomas's account, you'll see that there's a notification indicator beside approval requests. This is where Thomas will find the alert that will take him to the activity. This is where Thomas can review and download the file and make the approval. Thomas can also add any comments and post them here. Let's jump back to the requester's end. Now back to the requester's end, under notification streams, we can see Thomas's message here and that it's been reviewed and approved. We can also go into approval requests and see it in the history. And that's how you utilize the requesting approvals feature. Please visit our other training videos for more information on how to use Easy Projects. Thank you and have a great day.